Hi. I've gotten a lot of questions about the postcard that I made to send out to my kiddos during this e-learning, no school type thing. So I just wanted to take a minute and do a little, my very first video tutorial on how to create this in a Word document. I've already saved the Bitmoji to my photos on my iPhone, and it talks to my photos on my Mac. So they're already on my computer. You could email them to yourself. Um, if you have Bluetooth sharing, you should try to do it that way. So I'll go ahead and start sharing my screen. First thing I'm doing is going to layout, margins, and I click narrow. It's 1/2 inch all around. I'm going to insert a text box. The biggest size for a postcard for the United States Postal Service is 4.5 by 6. Then I'm going to position it in the top middle. I do this so that when I then do the back side on the next page, and I'm going to print and I'm flipping it over on the printer, it lines up. Select the box, copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and I'm going to position the other box in the bottom middle. Then I'm going to insert my picture from File. I'm going to click on Photos and come up here, pick this one. It's going to show up big. Before you change the size or put it in your box, come up to the Wrap Text feature and click in front of text. That will make it so you can move it around and it's not going to automatically align left, right, or center. Then you can go ahead and change the size. You can leave it big if you just want a big, beautiful picture. Or I went ahead and changed it to 2 inches. This gave me more options and more choices for how many I put on there and room for adding text. If you're having trouble moving it around and just moving it that little extra to get it lined up, you can always use the arrows on your keyboard to have a little bit more control. Then you're going to copy and paste again and do the same for the bottom. Once you have all that done, go ahead and click at the top, and you're going to insert a page break so that you have another page. It doesn't matter which one is first. I'm going to insert first I went on Google and found a postcard image of a postcard back that I wanted, saved it to my desktop, and I'm going to change the size to the same as the other one that I made, 4.5 by 6. And again, position top middle, copy paste, position bottom middle, and there you have it for a simple postcard. If you wanted to add lines for yourself for when you're writing, you could also insert a text box. Draw a text box here. If you do this, you're going to want to get rid of the line around it. And that is, I believe, over here, it says no outline when you click on the pencil. So then when I click out, you don't see the outline anymore. You would then just click the cursor, shift, and then next to the plus sign and the backspace at the top, and just do some lines. Here, I'll finish this one out and then copy and paste the whole thing. And I'm going to click and drag, Control C to copy, click down, and Control V, and I can just do that all the way down. If you want to have a line for your, like sincerely or whatever, I tab over, and the shift and bottom line again. That gives you extra room if you wanted to put an additional little Bitmoji at the bottom there, like see you soon-ish I found. So that's how I did it. No big secrets. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you find it helpful. Bye.